Hello student, the question says that which one of the following is incorrect? The fertilization follows the capacitation is our first option. So it is absolutely true because it is a type of sperm maturation phenomena in which sperm get mature and gain ability to fuse ovum and form a zygote. So capacitation is basically a correct phenomena here. And second statement says that cleavage of fertilized ovum result in blastula. So it is also a correct because if we have a single cell zygote, we call that as a zygote single cell. It follows mitotic division and rapidly divided and dividing and forms morula, and basically after formation of morula it forms blastula. So the cleavage of fertilized ovum result in blastula is our correct. So let's move to our third statement, which says that fusion of sperm and ovum occur in fallopian tube. So it is also a correct statement because the fusion of sperm and ovum happens in only in fallopian tube at a specific location. That location we called as a inflammatory isthmatic junction, which is an a correct statement of fusion of sperm and ovum occur in fallopian tube at isthmatic junction. So it is a correct option. Fourth statement says that cleavage led to increase in mass of protoplasm. So it is an incorrect statement because here when a zygote is formed and after zygote follows a mitotic division and there is no increase in mass of protoplasm, no increase in basically a size also, and no increase in volume. So when we have a zygote as a single cell and form a morula then blastula, there is no increase in mass of protoplasm, only the number of cells increase. So it is the incorrect option. So our final option is D. Thank you.